mai ta hon pha lak nu
ya ba no ba Northeast window na sandok sariba news analysis miyang tabiribo punamapo ahanba magtada taramna okchari loinana ngasi pause singda kari karamba pau phona khibagi haibdu khananabagi damakta ekhoigi studio sida lengsinduna leibire ningthau khongjam IBUNGOCHOUBI executive editor Manipur Mail ojabu taramna okchari ngasi pause ayambada phona khiba pau amatang tawkhatchabada oja ekhoigi Manipurda NRC Chana Hanaba August Manga Lising Aniga Kunithoida Lokiba Warep Amukana Assembly na reaffirm Tokre Matam Queenadagi Mangjara Kiba Miangi Manglan Amasu Mangpang Ragatra Haibaduni Luinana Hauzik Tokliba Irangasi NRC Chanaram Nagadi Toklam Loy Hainasu MLAL Ramesona Fondoli was Aswai Matang Sida Kariwa Fontambini.
Dajida Ihanhana Quigi Lamdam Sida Sahi Yame Kunmari Kumma Kuntragi among the Haida was a Quigi Northeast entirely Rivasida national boundaries over 1,600 kilometer more money Manipurga bordering or say Myanmar. Myanmar Haiba Lam Asina politically yam stable Oiba Orambataragadi problems yam toy but Myanmar itself Makogi ethnic groups is a Kumari Kumangasa Lan Tarokpa even democratically elected political party however kana military rule tawgi so issues is the Manipur dugi impact not only in Manipur neighboring states sida laibak thiba amana Myanmar ga yumlo nariba lam mayam asi irai line harabada Mizoram aluga Nagaland karigidamakta makhoida population influx leitribano karigidamakta makhoigidana population je khoigi abnormal growth laktribano haibase karigino haiga taragadi makhoigi inbuilt system amale Mizoram haribalam asisu anybody mapandagi lakpa missing ase lona maksi makhoigi thingnana mechanism amale even Nagaland phawbale aduga Manipur dadi karigidamakta leitribano haibagi question mark tuni hojik hangraibase NRC is a strong legislation natraga magi rule amani adubu NRC haibadugi implementation gi program ne aina ngasi karigumba decision ama lawraba matungda amuk madugi decision ama amuk reaffirm tawi haibadi it's a very simple indicator hana logi ba decision ado karigi damakta implement tawna amuk reaffirm tawri bune haibado that shows the weakness of a system kone editorially koina paumi hoina natraga common citizen ona yengadabase ai ngasi karigumba decision ama lawre madugi same decision si after 5 years natraga 6 years ta amuk reaffirm tawi hai tarak dagi mamangi do karigino haibadone yes adubu chumi masigi irang thore bache union home minister gi statement du hairagadi Manipur thoi be irang asi neighboring country dagi changakpa alagi plus koigi narco terrorism mayam ge chowi impact am lai hai Manipur government na assembly da amuk NRC magi citizenship ki magi niyam ama amuk reaffirm tawi haibase chowa stand amane chowa decision haibasidi koidi yaninge Manipur gi SDO khudimak adudagi Manipur gi SDC khudimak Manipur gi DC khudimak SP khudimak haibase system amagi part amane they are responsible to note down every single entry within its own jurisdiction ngarang se koi national television amada discussion ama yawe Netaji Subhash Chandra na India dagi chen graba matung da Kabul da ma si lae natraga miem lae na kamaina phari no haibase ngarang discussion tawnara kuda magi beat haidana officer amam thame aduna magi lekai da chatla kanda khundugi lekai dugi ni numit khudingi udaba mi ma lakpa haiba se magi ma superior da report of haiba do magi duty ne aduna nataji subhash chandra da magi khundu da lekai du no ma cha thai ngai da magi chira ba kanda magi beat officer duna magi ubane mai khudang ne siri ba gari magi mong du da masi atopa mi ma ne haidana one extra person has come haibane that means adu kuirba matung da manipur da mitop ama natraga anybody changai haibase magi karigidam ta systems activate tawdribno haibado maduni hanna ikhogi editorially imamang da su discussion da adu hajagi buduni yes manipur gi assembly na mukhanna nrc haibase magi citizen amagi karama mong no haibudu amuk endorse tawe haibado it is a very good gesture madugi matung da karama mong da kamaina implement tawguni haibado that is more important rather than reaffirming adamaina hanha khongbe ko tajida
Thagachari Oja Mathangda Lakchaning Banai Kogi Churachandpur gi DC amasung ASP gi office Beshon Tahan gi Bathodokta Gas Nipan Lokatle CVI da ani sinakre Irang Hena Sauthokhan kiba Wahai Sing social media da Thagalakpa MLA Paulen Haukip ki mathakta so lengak da gas lokatuna Thijinna ba honari haina CM Birena Phungdorakli Oza swai matang sidan kari wa phung thamini
akhoi su marak ki phase reporting se dum satharai ye manipur da nena talaktaba matam manipur irang harupa matam se akhoi su naha oina thenai as a reporter 1980s 90s akhoi 2000 gi thengarak pa serista akhoi da senior journalist mayamna point ama hai karigumba issue ama thoba matungda karigumba irang ama thoraba matungda CBI da sinau haibase masigi negative impact ama lei haino law and order India gi state khudimakta leriba state siglona maksi law and order se magi state tu gi achongba thodang amane achongba thodang ama puriba state amagi chief minister home minister na law and order pairaba matungda lamdu da thokpa amma magi police magi system masina investigation du mong du ngamdraba matungda ikhoina CBI da pibane aduga issue khudmak lonamak CBI da pini hai tarakadi manipur da leiriba magi administrative system asa ngamjadri haibagi tangkak amada hanna khoi debate tawnaki yes CBI da tangkak ta luraba kanda di central bureau of investigation IBC all over the country adum chanaba ngaktane aduga manipur ki su aina khanbada di thogdok thoiba khudima ki CBI da sino harak taragadi manipur da leriba khoi gi investigating officer natraga magi system magi law and order police mayam sidai sida thajaba thamde haibagi indicator do I think public muttagi madu lokthokadabani public muttagi lokthokadabani aduna CBI da sinare haibasidi encouraging however manipur gi administration na manipur da leriba investigating team magi department ase law and mangsi mapangan kidan pidana mathok to hon ba haibado that is more important adumaina thamjagi ai gi editorial comment
Thagachari Oja Mathangdana opposition gi motion lokhalakte haiba wahaudagi house da sarang na bathokre opposition MLA Singh House da mapan thokre Chatharagba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi manga suba session gi ngasi humni chalakpada opposition MLA Singh gi maikai digi house da puthokuna khana nabagi damak move tawkiba private member resolution sing amata lokhalakte haina opposition member sing speaker da wakalakpadagi charang naba thoraktuna opposition gi MLA manga house tagi mapanda thoklaga opposition lobby da yaning da phongdokre swai matang sidana kari
gi opposition haibase house amada manipur da ikoina as a young reporter akoina uhobasi 60 member house the opposition amakaktang leba matam ama thenaki adudagi amuk ani ahum yamdrabada hojik opposition da manga lei taruk lei taret lei hairagasu anybody who is in the opposition amakatang oragasu akogi MLA singna ikoina hanjan ningsinggadabase they represent the entire population of Manipur MLA amakatang assembly da phamagasu kogi MLA amana house da represent the people of the state haibase hanjan ikoina remind tagudabane aduna whatever the opposition does it should be from the perspective of the common people Manipur gi lambi thong asakhat khongdang law and order khodimaktagi aduna whatever opposition does has a very serious impact aduga ruling party amana opposition na haibase aina sum khanbadadi critically haigera any haigera I think they should ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯒꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯕꯟ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯐꯣꯂꯤꯑꯣ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯕꯜꯗ ꯐꯝꯗꯅ ꯅꯦꯒꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯐꯦꯌꯔꯁ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯀꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯚꯥꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯏꯕꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯐꯦꯌꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ इंडिया की प्राइम मिनिस्टर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी याम हाइगे मरक मरक अखोगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओरगसु विदिन माय ओन पार्टी द नुंगाइनदब अखोगी पाउ फाउनबसी महुत अखोगी ओपोजिशन न हेन मतेंग पांग प यावे हाइदना दैट मीन्स दैट इज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल प्रोसेस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी अदुने कोइना मरक मरक ओपोजिशन na haiba natraga opposition member haiba se they play a very important role in our society akogi form sida ko hauji manipur gi laiba irang manipur da laiba thoiba thodo mayam se the government should take one step ahead rather than opposition coming opposition na thong thilapai mahutta ruling party sina magi parliament natraga su anywhere the akogi discussion ta gudabani all party meeting ta gudabani this is what is absent in manipur today Manipur the Pali Sarkar sin opposition mayam ka gudabani all party meeting ta gudabani aron ba atupa karikra mayam se loina khanna gadam ta Manipur gi damakta public gi damakta khana gadabani ham se that is our editorial comment
thaga jay oza aduga koigi bunker da bomb pokhaibada koki militant ama sire ani sokli nakal amorom da nai koigi thamna poppi uyok chingdagi amuk hanna bomb amasung nomai kapsilakre sumaina phongli oza sigi matang da na kari wafam thambini
aina ihan hana miegi tarik ohum mari manga swagi discussion da aige editorial comment da ama khaktang di aina panjaki manipur da irang tho loi natraga karigumba ma action lagu taragadi kaino da manipur gi home commissioner natraga home secretary natraga chief secretary home minister dagi akhoi hoji phaw che ma matamdu da ugide akhoina editorial comment da akhoina haigi bise any agitation da nungna thaba nawina kapa haibase soe aduga to some extent koigi mit na kong sokpa koigi bibam sokpadi yawi adubo life haibodi laude manipur da hujik thoi irang se people are armed nungai paiba palaga na siba yaba adumba irang ne maduda government sina center oigera state oigera khulai paiba khudik mak natraga any talk chaliba su natraga anybody any kind of arms that can be harmful to the society they should be deposited to the nearest police station aduga madugi SPDC na daita lagudabun habudo we had reflected earlier in the earlier comments ko madu tawhidre hoji phaboda madu thoktri aduna ne hoji kulai paiba haitaba nungmai paiba haitaba bom paiba haitaba sing angang mayam si ro oina objective makoigi emotion degi diversion degi bunker the kulai pai degi even they have become the victim of their own appliances adu karama mong de handle ta gudabno haibado adu akhoi na hoji khangadaba se it is a human tragedy akhoi conflict ki beyond the angang mayam government na mana protect ta gudaba mayam kudamak se hojikti amaga khatnarabne aduna they have become the victim of their own appliances well trained nataba sukurai karma mom the explosive paidabno haibado irrespective of any community ko that is a human tragedy this is how we should look at it
aduga koigi jingya tamyada state force amasung central force puna thamle tha farak laba manipur gi irang asi loisina ba MLA sing thaduna wari sanaba hore aduga irang thokhan ba amadi nongmai bom kapsilakba jingya tamyada state forcing amadi central security forcing punna mathau tawhale haina chief minister nongtamba birena phongdokre oja swai matang sidana kari wafam thambini
tajida hojiki mamangi question du da ai karigba amtaga hapsan jahoge hojik si miuiba ma si ba haibase ko khogi with respect human tragedy haibudune koina world ki history da even akogi movies da cinema da wari da ubase enemy ama sirba matungda magi dead body si honor to haibase globally adum akogi mai thagera phumgera magi pruptugi chenabigi matungina a soldier magi enemy do no mina kapna halagasu magi mortal remains to phumga mai tharagasu with proper military salute natraga salam tawdana respect tawnai hojiksi manipur da leiba angang amagi mi magi wakhal se mi ma sirakanda enemy oigera ama oigera amna pungda nungai taba amada aduna khoina human tragedy da celebration natraga harau kana tawbase tha sahi ma sum toksilak pai base it has a psychological impact in every human person maduni hojiki tragedy do aina mu haja we na tawdo ama kanglu matraga phurup amagi sibi matam da people are celebrating hojiki modern psyche sida adagi hojiki nauna amuk adugi follow up says that anybody head of the state haibasigi achoba thodang amalei whether it is a prime minister whether it is the chief minister of any state aduga thodang asi karigino have the ownership haibuduni responsibility aduga nomagi daily routine chathagadaba ama aduga long term plan ama legadaba short measure mai chakla ganda aina batilam pairaga su makam pairaga su mai du muthanabada madula contribute tawe manipur gi hoji ekhoina uriba irang sida uriba se union ministers natraga state ki thau pariba mayam asina we are yet to see what is the immediate reaction akhoi immediate rapid response karino aduga long term da leiba plan kaino haibase ngasi phawda ekhoina editorially comment pi bangamri the government has not spelled out any immediate action aduga kano long term plan karigino haibase akhoi ngamdri ngasi gi haidaba yadabagi press statement amamam thokpase akhoi gi press ki chinanaw sing amasing rhetoric statement hana pangai da haibama if that is a trend then it is a tragedy aduna pangai da haibana taba the government should be able to clearly point out what is the game plan what is the makhacha tharakadabji karino haibado public da su confidence ama instill to woman darkar lei and that is what is missing aduga function da amada union home minister natraga manipur gi officials in koi gi noma gi issue dugi matung in hairakpado I think that is not important what we are looking at is as a editorial policy call when some critically yengada se government na next month we will do this matang karikra phajana koi gi analytical point of view ko long term plan na karino haibado that is not visible today
State Assembly gi su lathopagi warepta kuki MLA singna yaningda phongdoragli haibadune khoi hojuzik State Assembly chathariba asida kuki lal haulup singa chanariba su suspension of operation hanaba warep lokhiba adubu lengakta minister oiriba ani yauna kuki MLA tarana yaningda phongdoragli swai matang sidana kari wafam thamini oza
suspension of operation asi khoi bilateral talk bilateral koi mi ani gi issue natte hanjan hairi aduna suspension of operation haibasi trilateral party ahum gi ne kulai paiba siga magi laiba lamdam du gi state tuga at the same time central government maduda central government na state government ne aduga hojiki kulai pariba group siga yanarba matungda magi kulai du pairaga action tarokta wa haidana suspension of operation haidi maduna any harmful loy bathaw paikhat loy haibagi understanding da magi MOU natraga khangnabi amit toroga madula soi tawnaribune now mayam na hangnaribadi manipur da hojik paliba government se BJP ne delhi da paliba se su BJP ne whether manipur da paliba BJP government sinamana loriba decision asiga aduga delhi da paliba center da paliba BJP government asiga sanabada pass anaribra mot manaribra hana pau phaunaribra haibadugi question dune whether the decision taken by the state government sigi same magi central government na khaliba wakhandura natraga hayeng mamang da state government na decision ma logre central government na ekhoi madugi thodang loroi we will not take a decision maduda ekhoi gi tripartite ekhoi gi triangular tripartite talk na maduda center na madu ekhoi kaduna ekhoi gi ayawa pidi harak taragadi I think sen haragadi it becomes a mockery of the system which means the central government and the state government should have a very threadbare discussion central government siga state government siga at political level or at the administrative level ko akhoi chief secretary ga state ki other secretary ga wari pamutana sanarba matungda asigumba aloi taragadi manipur government na assembly da natraga magi cabinet da akhoi gi sulok thokpa amasi akhoi extend taroi kan hairiba se is it in consultation with the central government which they belong to the same political party. Adu natragadi ain sum prajana yang kadorisi BJP ki Delhi da khali ba kangbu siga Manipur ki kangbu khali ba siga wakhan manadra natraga pau phamadra. That is what people are thinking. Aduna aina sum khanbada Manipur ki assembly sina decision di lawre aduga hayeng tripartite talk nina hayeng Delhi na amu home minister na no, we are not a part of it. Haina haira agade madugi message na pidiba Manipur da pidiba message se laibak thibo ma soidana oigani. And sometimes law da baya da bagi law am ainin sa haijabdo temporary oi bai do Manipur government na surok thok subgi magi masi amu an action to ro haiba se Manipur gi state na law aruba decision amane haiba se will the central government respect to roktragadi Manipur gi government na traga laiba government sina amuk karamba action amuk lakulakani karamba step karamba khongthang thangalakani haiba se. That is what we are looking at. And asum khanbadadi yes Manipur gi paliba government aduga central paliba government ase and asum khanbada sida advisor anybody laiba department kudim lai mayam se they should have a very threadbare wakhansi yamna sengna munna khanarba matungda aina thawa pangthokpa phabra ne khalle rather than creating a confusion that Delhi the paliba government siga Manipur the paliba government siga though they belong to the same party on some line they differ haibudo. If at all they differ then kari amuk koi makhata khongdang cha thalak dang haibudo. I think it should be very clear.
Thagachiroja marik chomo phung kya mas thambi khre mathang da nai khoi gi SI on komang hawkip criminal case pan bagi mahutta lengang da ex gratia lupalak therapy ba haibasi maram cha de haina opposition gi MLA K Ranjit na phungdok khre oja sidana kari wafam thambini.
Any government government amana magi laigida natrag any ex gratia pi by say they must have gone into various serious study ko karigumba accident natraga kudamona harabada government gi employee oigira oidraga su karigumba koi unnatural oiba event amada laigida ba ama government na magi family da magi family da natraga asuk man jawudu da mateng pangbo ina government gi ex gratia sen gi mateng natraga magi next of kin da employment gi opportunity ma piraga awaba myam du kauna ba natraga koi system ma lay haibasigi proof ne aidi praja gi damakta lay government haibuduni. Anyway, let is opposition na hariba natraga government na hariba mayam so let the politicians debate and then we will repeat sabra chadabra haibududi. I think it will come out very clearly.
Kuyi loisilak pada kuyi oza MLA Ranjit na same kiba peace committee mathau tawhan biyu mamang chahi gi May 3 da thokiba Churachandpur gi thodok kamari lenana sungnu kendra gi MLA Kangujam Ranjit na same kiba peace committee mathau ningthina tawhan biduna relief camp ta leiriba sing masa masa gi mayumda halanduna ningthina khunda leita halu haina kuki narco terrorist singilanda asigi awang chaitheng mayok nariba victim sing na appeal tawragli oza swai matang sidana kari wafam thambining
akhoi aisu even khwaidagi phajaba hotel amada 5-star amada hapta ama leiba nungairamgani adragi amu sahi amla silagadi yum haibasi dalum haninga yum haibasi quite important ne aduna best of facility natraga angang amagi wakhalda rehabilitation haiba center haiba magi temporary shed leiba sidadi like laisudagi mamanabdagi magi basic environment chakhulakpagi wakhandagi matam kuina lerakpa haibasi awaba moigani magi growth emotional adagi plus spiritual adagi lekagi mamana basing even normal life da adubu kanagumba kharana yumda handaba sigi issue sigi mathakta Manipur da leiba administration sina lamdu da yumdu da haluraga life and the property madu secure ohenba ngambra habidugi question amani hoje khoina lakadoris government ama leiba taragadi magi primary duty yanan bathodang se to protect the life and property of every citizen. The question is whether the state government will be in a position to provide security to the people and protect their property. Adugi big question hozik lakadori se is the state government fully prepared to protect the life and property of those displaced persons if they go back to their respective villages and home. Adugi issue dune hojik lakadori base. If not, then what? Yumdagi thoraba matungda amuk hanbada state government sina ngakdana sendana madugi capacity du leibra habidugi issue ne. Akhuishu lo na yumda haningi ngakdang ko thu rogasu yumda lakpada kangpoksang oigera yum chobo oigera yum haibasigi aigi belonging amane aduna hojik phawba halanba ngamdaba madubu protect tawba ngamdaba government haina hairagadi the government has to also think 1,000 times karma mongda karma police station oigera natraga paramilitary forces oigera hojik sugnugi displaced oriba mayam representative oriba MLA ranjitna hairibase is very important. The Udabu Manipur government says sida hangadabudi halaba matungda will they be able to provide security? Irang thorakpa amuk chenba numai kapsalakpa pom thadarakpa government should be fully prepared to protect lives and property. Admaina thamjage because hojikti masida panga hebesu yade mi migi life hebese amukanna poka mapok ni anir khalna pokada mapok ate adlege masida leitaba thokpa yauragasu amukanna yakadaba sunate kappaga waraga lagadaba ngakani aduna the government whether it is at the center or the state lariba warabasu wana lariba mayam se hala kanda providing security and safety. I think that is paramount.
Thagachari oza oza gi chillaba matam kya ama kai thokpidana ekhogi news analysis asida saruk yabiduna tharam asibu mapung phan bibagi damakta ozabu hainangai laitana thagachari.
Thank you.
Matang asida news analysis loisenjare mediang dabiriba punuma puso amukana thagachari.